Dear friends, we bring to your attention a step-by-step video guide on SIN verification of the company Eurasian Rail Skyways Systems Holding Limited in the official database ISIN.org. Enter the website of the official database ISIN.org. Pass a simple registration procedure. Enter your name, the name of your company, your email address. Answer the question. Create and confirm a password for authorization. Confirm your registration through the link that will be sent to your email address. Next, go to the website section called ISIN Database. Enter VGG3222919094 into the ISIN search box. Press the search button. In the window that appears, you see that the entered ISIN belongs to the Eurasian Rail Skyways Systems Holding Limited. You can obtain more detailed information by clicking on the company's name. Thank you for your attention.